The folding tables are ideal for motorhomes. Available in two sizes, 80 by 120 and 60 by 120. Fold down really flat so you can store them in your lockers or in your motorhome garage. Comes with its own carry case. And it's made out of aluminium framework. And it all folds into its own case. Simply open it up with the catches. And there you can see the legs. Simply fold them out. And then you have the adjustment on the legs. So just extend the legs up to where the press studs are. And there you have a nice simple lightweight table to take with you on your camping holidays in your motorhome.